Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to update you guys quickly on how my gold trading has been going. We've made a lot of progress recently. If we could go back to 4th of July, we can see the sell position that I took here. I'll show you trading history as soon as we turn on the charts. We have a sell here. Long story short, I didn't hold because my mentality started to kick in after I saw this reversal, and I was pretty much break even on this trade. So I took a break from trading a bit, came back the next day, and we had a beautiful buy. Alright, we saw price break the channel, retest, right, and I need another retest so I could buy. So as soon as price retested, I bought. I set my stop loss and TP. If we look at the Fibonacci, you will see what I saw. Right, we open Fibonacci and we drag to this bullish candle that was evident at the time. Right, we didn't have information past this bullish candle. Right, so I took my Fibonacci and drew, and you can see the golden zone here, and we got it right there. And long story short, I should have held because this was a perfect trade, but obviously my mentality kicked in, and I was also at break even here. Right, I closed the trade at break even, but what I started to realize is I was making progress because I was getting a hang of what price was doing. Another trade here. Right, if you guys can see it properly, what I see here is a head and shoulders. Right, we have our left shoulder here. Right, we have our left shoulder here. Right, price came to retest, then the head is here, obviously. Right shoulder. Right, and what we wanted to see is a break below, but price retested here and retested the trend line. Right, so pretty much what happened is when it broke past the neckline, I sold. Right, but what happened there is obviously when New York session kicked in, price became way more volatile, and I got stopped out soon after. As you can see, this happens to everyone. Price plays down, missed out on a lot of pips, but I learned my lesson. What we can learn here is that I need to wait for more confirmation. I need to see more candle confirmation, and my stops obviously need to be wider because when New York session kicks in, there's obviously way more volatility. So that will need to be considered. After three losing streak, I took a huge break from trading, and also because of fundamentals, I decided to step away from the charts. Right. Then when I came back, obviously did my technical analysis, and I was looking at a really nice setup here. As you can see, it's another head and shoulders. Another head and shoulders. You can see the price break up, left shoulder down, up, head down, right shoulder. Beautiful, very simple head and shoulders. Right, second confirmation is that we can see from here, right, we can see a Fibonacci retracement. So obviously I was trading the we can use the Fibonacci as a second confirmation. Alright, all the way from here. Alright, if we look at the Fibonacci, it tells us that price is going to reverse now and closer to the golden zone. So that is a second confirmation, and the third confirmation is the trend line, obviously the trend line, and also the resistance that was created. So I waited for price to show me some confirmation, and I drew a second box here as resistance. When price retested there, I sold instantly and price melted. TP was hit in less than 45 minutes. Beautiful trade, hit take profit, and then straight after that, so that was Tuesday. On Wednesday, we took another beautiful scalp. If you can see here, price is moving very aggressively. When it came down to the resistance, we saw it resisted a lot here, which indicates a buy. So what happened here is that I saw this candle right here, and this indicated a buy for me. I waited price to come above this level, and just before closure I entered and I was aiming for these candle highs. So I aim for these candle highs, easy 200 pips, and yeah, I was happy with what I had. There was also fundamentals, so that's why I exited. Then on the Friday, we took our first loss of the week, right? For here, I was anticipating a huge buy, right? Because if you look at the Fibonacci, we have a huge move to the upside after the fundamental, right? So the zero level has been retested a couple times, and now we're looking for a move to the 0,382, right? But we can see that a strong support has been created, and that didn't happen, right? So now our new entry target is this red support right here. So what I saw is price move aggressively upwards, right? So after price did that, I waited for a retest of this minor support level for a buy. I think I was chasing price there, which led me to getting stopped out. But soon after that, I waited for my buy entry, and we caught a really nice buy over there. I can show you guys nicely. We caught a really nice buy, just got it right, and pretty much what happened is we were very nice into profit. Right? But obviously, as a beginning trader, I got greedy. Let me just jump to the 1 hour so I can show you this better. We got a really nice entry off of this bullish candle. I got it by the wick. Got greedy as I was aiming for this support, this resistance, and in future the bigger resistance. And yeah, so what happened is, obviously I had my stop loss. And take profit set, and as you can see, at 4 o'clock I was holding the trade still, and I got stopped out by news. And now price is just consolidating. What I can learn from that is, what I should have done really is just scalp price to the so obviously our entry was this bullish candle. I should have scalped price to this previous high, right? That's still 500 that's still 500 pips, which would have been very beneficial for my account. Obviously I'm growing a small account, live trading. So next time just need to take what I can get and move on. But otherwise I'm progressing very well in gold, because before I was just taking losses back to back, but now at least I'm seeing some progress and I'm understanding price better, you know. Shortly I'll have another video of what I can predict from price next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.